How to use VLC Player on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Open any video from here. Go to the bottom left corner and tap on the share icon. You can view all the sharing options over here. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. From here, go to the location you want to save the file to. Here, scroll down and go to the VLC folder as shown. And then, tap on Save. Now, go back and open up the VLC player on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on Video. You can now open and view the file you just saved over here. Following these steps, you can easily use VLC Player on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.